Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain if you have a noisy engine, how you can fix it, guys, without taking it apart, and how to make your engine last a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N20 gasoline engine or N26. It has been used in multiple BMWs. Some of those guys could be BMW 5 Series, 528i, 520i, 320, 328. We're talking about 228 guys, multiple 1 Series BMWs, X1, X3, X4, even X5. I think the plug-in hybrid, the xDrive 40e, uses that N20 engine, or it was the B48, doesn't matter, but many cars use it, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain if you have engine noise. Here's rattling engine, noisy engine, you want to know how to fix it. We'll share a simple procedure that can help you fix engine noise without taking the engine apart. Something that you should do preventative so you can keep your engine running nice, smooth, and for a long time without needing repairs. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly adding new cars, we're constantly working on something new. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys want to see where to buy cheap tools, parts, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically, this is a 528 2013 model that we'll be demonstrating on. This is the N20 engine, guys. Some weak spots on that N20 engine that we will talk about today, and how we can prevent them as well. Timing chain failure. Timing chains are known to fail on these engines. We have a special video how to replace timing chain, how to replace timing chain guides on our channel. We also have a special video that explains will my BMW need new timing chain. It tells you exactly which engines are affected by that problem, so check it out, because this N20 engine failed the timing chain at 84,000 miles. My mom's 328 xDrive with the same engine failed the timing chain at 71,000 miles. So yeah, that's pretty early, guys, so check it out. Another thing, we're talking about weak connecting rod bearings, okay? Especially I think on cylinder number 2, I read quite often, ends up being a weak spot on those, and torn bearing practically will devastate your engine, guys. Also turbo problems for higher mileage engines, and we'll explain how we can avoid some of those as well. If you have a noisy engine, rattling engine, what we recommend to do here at the shop, what we usually do, guys, on our own vehicles. Now, all the things that we'll be showing you in this video, guys, practically all the materials will be materials that we purchased ourselves, okay? They were not sent to us. It's materials that we found out that they work really good, and we want to share them with you. First, what we'll do, we will do an oil change. But before we change the oil, drain the oil, we will use, guys, engine flush leaky moly on a BMW, guys. That leaky moly engine flush is simply amazing. And you wonder why? Because it cleans your engine on the inside really good. We made a special video. We were not believers in additives until we used that one, guys. We made a special video. Does leaky moly engine flush work? Demonstrated on Porsche Cayenne. We put it in a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We opened the engine to put new valve cover gaskets. The engine looked like new after we flushed it. I was simply amazed. The video is on the channel, our channel, check it out, it will teach you about that. So with that being said, that additive will clean everything on the inside. It will clean oil passages, it will clean hydraulic valve lifters, it will clean vanos, variable timing solenoids, timing actuators, multiple things that can be plugged up and cause noises, rattles, hesitation, vibrations, multiple things like that. So with that being said, okay, we first do the engine flush, drain the oil, change the oil filter. Next, you're going to get oil that's specifically made for your BMW. Make sure you use the viscosity that you need, and especially for the climate that you are. You can check your service manual for that. Make sure that your oil meets the BMW specifications for your car specifically. When you do that, okay, we add the oil, leave a little bit of room and add this gold additive here. This is, guys, liquid gold in my opinion. Liqui Moly Ceratec. It's a little bit expensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, but it does wonders. What I mean, it actually does a ceramic protection, ceramic wear protection for engines, guys, and manual transmissions. It reduces wear significantly. The vehicle uses less gas or diesel, whatever you're using in it. Improves performance, reduces friction up to 75%, and reduces wear up to negative, check this thing out, reduces wear up to 34%. So how much better that it is, right? It means that your engine can last up to 34% longer, and it will give you better fuel efficiency, so it will pay for itself practically, guys, over time, because you use one additive for every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers, whatever comes first, guys. So we're going to go ahead, add that one, and we'll continue with the next step. So give it a good shake, guys, energetic, good shaking. Okay, make sure to shake it good, because all that ceramic particles maybe on the bottom, so shake it good. We're going to open it. It has that nasty color, you will see, orangey color, but that's magic for your engine, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap right here. Inspect your cap, make sure you don't have white buildup, sludge on the inside. That means you have a bad PCV valve most likely. So we're going to open it now, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and put it in. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, you can see, just taking it slowly. You need to make sure, guys, okay, that you drain the whole thing all the way. Okay, perfect. And we can leave it upside down for a little bit so it can leak all the way out. Make sure you don't overfill your car with too much oil, but you can always use just a little bit of oil, just switch it a little bit and get the extra out of it as well. Depending on the capacity of your engine, you may require even more. This one, okay, will be enough for ours now. So ours is all the way empty, guys. That additive will make your engine nice, smooth running. It will be quieter. You may notice that after almost immediately after starting, but sometimes it will take a little bit of time for that ceramic coating to actually build itself on top of worn parts. So that could be to give it some time, a tank or two. Fuel can actually, you start noticing a really big difference. If you don't, most likely you have a mechanical problem, but that additive will make your engine last longer, connecting rod bearings lasting longer, turbos lasting longer, so it could be multiple things. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, you want to see anything specific on BMW N20 or any BMWs, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.